Paano kapag walang traffic light? Paano tayo magkukross ng safe sa yellow box? Explain ko muna sa inyo, ang intersection basically operated by traffic light. Pero kapag walang traffic light pero may yellow box, intersection yan. So ano ang susundin kapag kayo ay nasa intersection operated by traffic light? Natural yung traffic light. Green, red, yellow. No? Alam natin yan. Paano kapag walang traffic light? Paano tayo magkukross ng safe sa yellow box? Una, dapat, tandaan nyo, pag may yellow box na yan, kung sino yung nasa loob na ng yellow box, siya na yung may right of way. So kung papasok ka dito, yan, pakaliwa ka, ihinto ka muna. Hintayin mo muna siyang dumiretso bago ka lumiko. Kasi siya na yung may right of way, yung nasa loob na ng yellow box.
Experience the trusted way to learn defensive driving. Enroll now.